Hello and welcome to my presentation on a review of technology in my field. Today we will be going over three technologies which can help assist in high schoolers learning how to program. The first technology that we're going to talk about today is Scratch. Scratch is a simple programming tool created by MIT. It has drag and drop features and visual feedback, which can be really rewarding for someone who's just learning how to program, because a lot of the times things when you're programming things happen behind the scenes. So let's take a look at the UI for that. The UI for Scratch is quite simple. On the far left hand side we have an option of commands that we can drop into the scripting area, which is located in the center of the screen. On this and on the right side we have a stage where we can drag and drop sprites, which are objects that move and we can manipulate in the world using the programs. There's been all sorts of things created on Sprite, anything from Tetris to Minesweeper to basically it's a game programming game visualization tool. So and it can more information about it can be found on this website here, scratch.mit.edu. Next, we're going to go over Eclipse. So Eclipse is an IDE for Java, also known as an integrated development environment for Java. It's one of the more popular tools used in Java creation, so I think it'd be good to get high school students used to it because it's what's used here at ASU and also at various companies in industry. So let's take a look at the UI for that. So for Eclipse, it's a pretty basic UI. You have your projects folder on the left-hand side. You have your scripting and programming area in the center. This highlights objects or methods that you have, and then you simply hit play to run them. This technology is great because Java is still the largest programming language in the world, and I think integrating this with in a high school curriculum should be mandatory at this point. Yeah. Okay. And last but not least, Topital. Topital is a tool, an online tool, which is used for sorting algorithm visualization. So what it does is you can look at the most popular types of sorts, such as insertion, selection, bubble, or shell, with various types of data and see how they are sorted. So how does it do when the data is in order? How does it do with data that is has a lot of the same type? Which algorithm might I want you to use in that situation? Again, I love visual tools, especially when you're first learning how to program, because it's so rewarding and intuitive. A lot of these things happen behind the scenes, so it's good to get that visualization going in your own head eventually so that you can understand what's happening behind the scenes. This has been a review of and more information for this programming tool can be found at topital.com/developers/sorting algorithms. This has been a review of 3 tools which I would use in the classroom to help teach high school students how to program. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Goodbye.